Hello and welcome. Today, I'll be talking about something that surrounds us every day light. As a scientist, I am excited to share with you some of the incredible things we know about light and how it affects our world. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the fascinating world of light together. Let's get started. Number one, what is light? In simple terms, light is a type of energy that travels in waves and can be detected by our eyes. It comes in many different forms, from the light that comes from the sun to the glow of a light bulb. Light is essential for life on Earth, as it provides energy for plants to grow and enables us to see the world around us. It's also used in many everyday technologies, such as cameras, televisions, and computer screens. So where do light comes from? As I mentioned earlier, light is a form of energy that travels in waves. But what creates those waves in the first place? Well, there are many sources of light in our universe. Some of the most common include the sun, stars, and fire. These sources create light through a process called incandescence, which involves heating a material until it emits light. Other sources of light include electric light bulbs, which create light through a process called fluorescence. This involves passing electricity through a gas which causes it to emit light. So as you can see, light can come from many different sources and can be created in many different ways. But no matter where it comes from, light plays a crucial role in our understanding of the world around us. Number 3. Why is visible light made up of different colors? When we see light, we often think of it as a single entity. But in reality, visible light is actually made up of different colors, which we can see when light is refracted or bent through a prism. So why is visible light made up of these different colors? The answer lies in the wavelength of the light waves. Each color corresponds to a different wavelength, with longer wavelengths appearing as a red light and shorter wavelengths appearing as a blue or violet light. When light enters a prism, it is refracted at different angles depending on its wavelength. This causes the different colors to spread out and become visible as a rainbow of colors. So to sum up, visible light is made up of different colors because each color corresponds to a different wavelength of light. So lastly, how does light behave? Firstly, as we mentioned earlier, light travels in waves. These waves have certain properties that determine how light behaves. One of the most important properties of light waves is their frequency, which determines the color of the light. But the light waves also have another important property, their polarization. Polarization refers to the direction in which the light waves oscillate. When light waves are all oscillating in the same direction, they are said to be polarized. Another important aspect of light's behavior is how it interacts with matter. Light can be absorbed, reflected, or refracted when it encounters matter. This is why some of the materials appear to be different colors under different lighting conditions. Finally, the speed of light is a fundamental constant of the universe, and it is the fastest speed that anything can travel in the universe. So as you can see, light behaves in many interesting and complex ways. Understanding these behaviors is crucial to many fields of science, including optics, physics, and astronomy. Thank you, everyone.